Here's a 2006 Honda Odyssey. It's about bringing family together, staying connected along the way, and giving you that sense of home no matter where your journey takes you. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, AM/FM satellite radio, auto dimming rearview mirror, entertainment system with DVD, 3 12-volt power outlets, driver memory seats, automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, and V6 engine. Of the Odyssey, Edmunds.com notes it is quieter, more spacious, and offers even more innovative features than before, including increased seating configurations and unique storage solutions. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. Take it for a test drive today.
Our online price quotes make sure if you're buying Honda, you've got our best price right up front. BartlesvilleHonda.com, the website of Honda of Bartlesville.